Here you go. Get it, Mammy. Get it.
It's not hilarious.
Get it. Get it, Precious. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get them. Get your presents. Merry Christmas. Holy crap. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Uncle Marky, you should be seeing this. You would love it. Precious, get it. Precious. Whoa, she just creamed it, didn't she? Get it. Get it. Memory. Get it. Get it. She goes, I'll open this one too. Look at her. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh my gosh. Get it. Aren't they the best present openers you ever saw, Uncle Wade?
Yeah.
Whoa, Precious girls, this is so... They
Oh, yeah.
love opening presents. Oh, you should have seen the first year we had them. They had about 20 gifts apiece. There you go.
So how'd you train them to open? Were they